Okay, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go pee-pees. Come on, Bella. Go pee-pees. Go pee-pees. See how pretty the front looks? Look at this. Some pretty snow. Beautiful. My favorite tree right here. Go pee-pees. Go pee-pees. Good girl, Bella. Shiloh, go pee-pees. Good girl, Bella. Got your coat on, yeah. Got your dress on. Good boy, Shy. Good boy. Where you going? Hey, leave those birds alone. They're eating. Shiloh. Hey. Hey. Come on. Shy. Poor birds. I should put more bird food out, actually. I have to wait till he goes back in. Look at how beautiful. Beautiful. The Bella. Where you going? Where you going? Shiloh, where'd you go? I can't see in the snow. There you are, running through my flowers. Shy. Look at you go. Love to play in the snow. Crunch, 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 crunch. I should have put some gloves on. You eating the snow? I don't know if that's good anymore. All the chemicals. Look at you. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Good boy. Love you to snow. Bella, not so much, even with her coat on. What you doing? I know, Bella, you're at the door already. Hold on. Let me let your sister in. Look at you waiting at the door. Here, let me get your coat off. Good girl. Here we go. Let's take this off. There you go. Okay. Oh, you all ready to come in? Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, get your Kong. Come on, Bubba's. Good boy. What a good boy. You want pee-pees? You want a treat? You want a treat? You want a treat? That's Bella's Kong. You have yours. So I learn from Bella's. Alright, Mommy will get you one of these. Little chomps. Are you gonna sit? Are you gonna sit? Sit down. Good boys. Here you go. Here you go, Bella. And they all spilled out. I know. Grayson's gonna come up because he's gonna wanna. Come on, Grayson, get your treat. You want a treat, Grayson? I know you do. Just trying to get up. Here you go, Grayson. Where are you? Hi, Jasper. Come on, Grayson, get your treat. I know you want your. Come on. You can get up. Here you go. I know, it's right here. Come on. I know. Shiloh's away. Shiloh, you had your treat. Let me get... Here, Grayson. Shiloh, get out of Grayson's way. You don't like that. I know. You want your... I call it cat pot. But here's your nip. There you go. Come on, Grayson. You can get up the other way. Go ahead. All right, now you can get up. Come on, Grayson. Shiloh, get out of his way. Come on, Grayson. Okay, you got it. There you go. Have your treats. I know, you're welcome. Here, right here. There you go. Everybody happy now? Is everybody happy now? You happy? No, because you already ate it. Well, you're not getting any. You just had 2 treats. You just had a Kong and a Chomp. All right. Mommy, see you after. I'm going to go see Uncle Bernie. I'm going to go see Uncle Bernie. Okay? Ow. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. You're standing up. What do you want? What do you want? Oh. Ow. What do you want? You know what I'm going to do for you? I know. You're going to bring me to the toy box. I know. All right. I know. Hold on. You know what? Let me get you this. You got the baby? You got baby? I see. Oh, you got baby. Hold on. I see you got baby. Why you beat baby up? Yes. All right, let me do this. Okay, it's filled with your treats now. You gotta work for it though. Not like Bella, you just got yours. You can follow him and get more. All right, have fun. Okay, bye-bye. And there it goes. Show everybody how it works. There you go. You're getting them. Look, Bella, he missed some. Look, over here. Look, there they are right here. Bella. Look, Bella. All right. Oh my gosh. That'll keep him busy. You smarty. Okay. Oh, man. All right, have fun. Bye. Bye, Grayson. Bye, Jasper. Guys have a live show to watch.